Okay, after downloading Ollama in your local, then you will see Ollama setup files is being downloaded in your local. Then just double click on it, and you will see it will ask you to click on installation button. I have already installed Ollama in my local, so I don't want to install it again in my local. You just click on install button, and it will automatically installed in your local. After installation procedure completed, uh, uh, after installation procedure completed, you can now pull various or several models from Ollama to your local machines. So I just show you how to do it. So just go into the Ollama website, then click on the models you see on the left corner in the website. Click on models. Then I want to pull Deepseek R1 on my local, then trying to run it in my local. So here you will see different parameters: 1.5 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, 14 billion parameters. I am just clicking on the lowest parameters, 1.5 billion. Then this will show you how to run or pull different Ollama, different Deepseek models into your local machine. Now you have to run your PowerShell. You have to run your PowerShell. I run my Anaconda Chrome PowerShell. If you don't know what is Anaconda or what is Minicunda, I will make another video for this. Just open, click on open, and then see that this is the command shell. Now you have to copy this line, Ollama run Deepseek R1 1.5 billion, then just paste on it and press enter. It will thinking, so just show send a message. But in your local machine, if you don't pull Ollama in your local, it takes some times. Sorry, if you don't pull Deepseek R1 model in your local, it takes some time for downloading it, Deepseek model in your local. So I already have downloaded Deepseek R1 model. Now you can chat with a Deepseek model in your local machine. So just type any message you like to chat. Hi, enter. So imagine Deepseek R1 model is very fast compared to ChatGPT or OpenAI ChatGPT. You can ask anything. So you can write any message like, what is AI? Yes, Amazon.